Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to another episode of On The Floor. Today we're at Crazy Luke's Speed Shop, a self-taught fabricator based here in Perth. So we're going to go have a chat with him, see some of his work, and see what makes him tick. Let's go.
I'm Luke from Crazy Luke's Speed Shop. I build parts and cars to customers' desires, from fabrication to mechanical, to race prep. Pretty much anything goes besides the tuning side of things. Currently we have Brad's Nissan 180SX, which is getting a whole bunch of work done ready for round 3 next weekend. It's the LS1 with a few internal mods, and as you can see, sort of the tube front end, custom mounted radiator, anything goes, same with the rear end. Just mounting seats, modifying roll cage, basically got dropped off to me and got to make it leave here running and ready to go to the track. I got into it basically because I was building my own car, finding that I was running out of off-the-shelf parts, and then felt I could make them in such a way that it would be mine and be cheaper and could be exactly how I wanted it. Went from there. In the early days, a few basic YouTube videos, and then really just getting stuck into it. Just trial and error most of the time.
If someone wanted to get into what you're doing, how would you recommend for them to do that?
There's a few avenues. There's the way that I've done it, which is obviously the long and hard way, which is to just keep trying it yourself. Obviously it uses your own money. The other option is find a good workshop that's happy to take you on as an apprentice. There's obviously a few avenues. You can go down the mechanic avenue or the fabricator avenue. Really depends on where your skill set is and what you're really looking to do. The hardest thing I've got to do is basically make something from nothing. For example, this car, it came in, chopped up, had to chop it from basically just past the strut tower here, and I was left with a huge nothingness. Basically had to put the bonnet on, measure, trial, fit, and then make it from there, and it slowly all comes together. So the S13 next to me has an Infinity Q45 engine, so a 4.5 litre Nissan quad cam V8. Basically came in such a similar manner to a lot of the cars, with an engine in the bay, and we have to go from there. So headers, made a fuel system work for it, set up all the fuel there. Intake was already done, but the intake pipe and all that associated work is all fresh. And obviously a few interior parts where the customer had gone a bit wild, so we had to reel it back and fix it up. It's all coming together slowly but surely.
Is it going to be a drift car or?
This one is more so an all-rounder car. Right. So a little bit of drift, I'm sure sprint events and things like that. Really just something to do, something to enjoy. Well, the little hot rod here is basically a frame with a well, we consider it a generator motor. It's a GX200, I believe, Honda motor. It's just in for a couple little, what's the word? Couple of little mock-up side pipes for a bit of pizzazz on the side. A lot of them have nothing, or they'll have a junk little pipe. So making up some stainless 2.5 inch side pipes with a little kick on the end, and they'll go off to get polished as soon as it leaves here. So yeah, should be good when it's done. The bike's in the back of my personal collection. There is the big one back there with the white tank is a Honda CB 750, which you'll have to get pulled right down because I keep finding more rust. But for the most part, it's a good bike. It does run, so it just needs that little bit of care after 45 years. The black one is my old runaround bike, which unfortunately lost its sun plug and needs an engine rebuild, but these things happen. I've been here coming up on 2 years. Obviously, as time goes by, we renovate and make it more suitable for the place, more suitable for the job. But yeah, it's just signed a longer lease, so good things to come.
Don't forget we're big.
Easiest is Facebook, which has my telephone number, I believe email address, and obviously there's the message function on Facebook. It is my more preferred, as I can keep track of everyone, but feel free to give us a call if you have something that you need to talk one-on-one, or even just drop by.
So yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, you know where the subscribe button is. Always plenty more videos to come. I never disappoint, so hit that subscribe button. Go check me out on Instagram as well. Getting some good pictures up there. Good-ish, if you like mediocre pictures. Go check me out. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Now, there's one long boy.